next one is acclimatizations, adaptations and adaptability. See, this acclimatizations are temporary changes that occur in the body, and in this temporary changes there is no change in the genetic structure of the organism, and these acclimatizations last for only a brief period of time, and even for these acclimatizations to occur it only takes brief period of time. On the other hand, adaptations are permanent change in one or more genes of the body, and as a result there are visible phenotypic changes. When there is a genotype that changes, phenotype automatically changes. Here there is no change in the genotype, so there is no change in the phenotype. Here there is a change in genotype because one or more genes change their structure, and because there is a change in genotype there is a change in phenotype, and that leads to adaptation. And for an adaptation to take place it takes several thousands if not even millions of years, and these are relatively stable because these adaptations last forever till another adaptation occurs on the existing one. So that is adaptation. Say for example, acclimatization, consider a person from a very hot climatic condition went to cold climatic condition. Then the person experiences physical changes or bodily changes that can be attributed to acclimatization. So consider yourself from a very hot climatic condition, you went to extremely cold climatic condition. What will be your body response? What will you start doing? The hot to cold climatic condition, you will start shivering. Why? You shiver by after going to cold climatic, and you do shivering purposefully or it is involuntary? Involuntary. So that is an acclimatization. So while shivering, body generates warmth. Voluntary, you are rubbing your hands, isn't it? Acclimatizing. Any change in phenotype or genotype? No. But here all the genes of the body work together helping the body to acclimatize. Here only one or two or few genes are responsible. Here all total genetic constitution is working together. Here only one or few genes are working. Both of them gives an organism the ability to adapt. So acclimatizations plus adaptations is adaptability. If those are higher, adaptability is higher. If adaptability is higher, survival rate is more. Adaptability also depends upon the reproductive ability. If reproductive ability is more, adaptability is more, survival rate is more. You getting my point? So that is about acclimatization, adaptation and adaptability. In the same cold climatic conditions, an adaptation is people have genes which will help them to resist cold. They have genes which make them have a longer nose. Why longer nose? Because while they are taking in cold air, if the nose is short, the cold air gets into their lungs quickly. So nose is long. So by the time it reaches the lungs, it gets warmth. Even this pharynx and other things are also longer. Lungs are not higher up in the thorax, they are lower down in the thorax. Lungs are big also. You get my point? These are changes in the body that help in adapting. These changes have occurred because of change in gene. So these are biological. We can apply the same thing to cultural aspects also. What could be a cultural acclimatization? In the same example, when a person has gone from hot climatic condition to an extremely cold climatic condition. Biological we have seen. Cultural, what can be cultural? Think and say. Woolen clothes. Maybe you are drinking hot water or a tea or something like that. More fatty food. All these are cultural elements. But people who are living there are every day consuming the same thing only. That is a cultural adaptation. Yes or no?
Selecting the right optional subject for the UPSC exam can be a daunting task, especially if you're aiming to succeed on your first attempt. But what if there's a crucial element that could make all the difference? That element is continuous answer writing practice. At Vijetha IAS Academy, our Anthropology Optional Foundation program offers a comprehensive approach. Not only will you delve deeply into the subject matter, but you will also engage in daily and weekly answer writing exercises. Each of your answers will be meticulously reviewed and critiqued by P Kishore Sir, ensuring you receive personalized feedback to enhance your skills. This approach has already helped many students achieve impressive marks and ranks, such as Akanksha Singh, 311 marks in Anthro CSE 2022. Chaudhary Shipra Vijay Kumar, 307 marks in Anthro CSE 2022. Ajin Kumar, who cracked UPSC in his first attempt, and many more. With daily feedback and structured practice, you will be well prepared to succeed in the UPSC examination. With our focused feedback and structured practice, you'll be well equipped to improve your performance and boost your chances of securing a top rank in the CSE. Don't wait any longer. Enroll in Vijetha IAS Academy today and unlock the proven success formula for conquering the UPSC exam.